afternoon, children and companions. My name is Lorena Velasquez. I am 28 years old. I am currently living and majoring. I am a student in environmental engineering. I do that speak to the and children lagoons of Roncesvalles Solid with the group of 4 colleagues. We went to see the beautiful Roncesvalles stop. The weather is very cool. We meet different animals. Along the way until reach the beautiful lagoons. We take many photos because that is lo we have lot of the beautiful experimentals with there that were impressed me with the environmental preservation that this habitat has is very well taken care of. Thank you.